Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix this evening, we have Korra, and it's such a very sad time. And I'm looking at it as, you know, it's a really real horror story. Like, I'm not really sure why it is that people are so evil in this world. We sometimes live our lives, you know, um, being kind to others and being very down to earth. And in the turn of events, just like Horace, because she's a down to earth person, very calm, very loving, and she's very engaging. She shows us her natural self as a natural human being. And someone took it upon themselves to go to the location that she's staying in the UK to attack her and throw what seemed to be acid in her face. The person also went ahead and, leave cuts on her hands. And as I listened to the tape, I heard Cora crying and screaming and calling out for Jesus as she was in the space of survival, trying to survive. And I'm not really sure why it is that people are so cruel. I mean, sometimes people see you and they just don't like you for nothing at all. You don't do anything to them per se, but they take up other stuff and want to attack you for that. Or they see you and they think that you're too much and they feel like, okay, I should have this that you're having, or they just don't like you and they get up and want to attack you. And this is the same thing that happened with Korra in this video. Guys, it's very horrific. You might not see what's going on, but when you do listen to this video, please approach with caution because it's very sad that one human being would turn around and attack a sister that is so down to earth with everyone, loving, caring. This girl is, I don't even know what to say because Cora is so down to earth. She's just the realest celebrity I've seen so far in life. And I mean, she's such a beautiful soul. And this is what this lady did to her, attacked her. I mean, the lady was like basically standing at her door. It seemed like she was watching her live and standing at the door. As soon as Cora opened the door, she was right there to attack her. And this is cruel. And I wish nothing but for her to go to jail and rot in jail for doing this because this is despicable. And Cora, I do wish you a speedy recovery. And I feel this to the core of my heart. I don't know you personally, but I've watched you and you are such a beautiful soul. Get better soon.
Of all the people that I love that are departed. If you see all the backlash I got on IG, oh, you have gone to search ring lights because there was this Nigerian movie star who was on a boat and apparently it led to his demise, and they thought that I was making it about him, not knowing that I was just grieving my mother, my sister's father-in-law, and all the people that have left and their souls have departed. They thought it was all about the guy, right? My sincerest condolences to him and his family. That post was not about him. I see a lot of people today, anytime there's a demise, they just use it as clickbait. That is definitely not me. And for all the people that thought that was what I was doing, that was not what I was doing. It could have been. The news broke at 4 o'clock. I posted it at 4:30. How can I have made it so fast? The singing so fast? No, it wasn't that. Sandy Williams, thank you for 500 stars. It was a tribute to Oima and a tribute to my mother, and it just happened to be coinciding with the demise of the actor. So it has nothing to do with him. Okay? Yeah. So yeah, has nothing to do with him. Rest in peace to him. I really never met the guy. My friend knew him and she was very heartbroken. Just laying around. Thank you so much for 50 stars, my queen. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you. Where are my YouTube super thinkers? Only my Facebook people are giving me stars. Kilo day. Kilo day. Kilo today. Kilo shake. Kilo shake. Kilo shake. I just go my way. Jessica Mena, thank you so much for 100 stars. Welcome to the Korraverse. Appreciate you. Today is Maxine Morissette's birthday, #1 Korean. This woman loves me, like to the moon of that. I feel her love. Anytime she's on live, I say thank you, Maxine Morissette, thank you. And she comes in with 2,000, 3,000 stars. Like, this woman doesn't play with me and I don't play with her. It's her birthday. I'm gonna sing one more for her. Happy birthday, Maxine! Ooh, thank you for 1,000 stars, my queen. She says you're so beautiful. I can't wait to actually get a chance to meet you in person. Have a fantastic day. No, you have a fantastic day. It's your day. Oh my gosh, I love you, my queen. Have a beautiful day. Please go out, take some of my star money, and give yourself an amazing time, because I love you. We love you here in the Korraverse. You mean the world to us. I love you so much. Thank you so much, and keep aging with such beauty and grace in your soul. I don't even have to see you in person for me to know that you're an amazing person. You, every time I'm sad, you just like hit me with 1,000. You know when, like, you know how some people just come just to like send you stars? Maxine knows when I'm sad. Like, she just hits me with the stars when she's, oh my God, Shoma Jesus. Thank you for, I've never seen someone send Naira on the YouTube. Thank you for 400 super thanks in Naira, which is like 0.03 cents, but I love you. Thank you, Chioma Jesus. Was. Thank you. I've never seen someone send Naira, so you can actually send Naira. How did you do that, Chioma? You have to teach people, though. You have to teach people, because a lot of people would like to send me Naira. How did you do it? You must be like some sort of tech guru. Or maybe you use your Naira card. How did you connect your Naira card? Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I have a cup of tea, maybe. I'm in England, might as well have a cup of tea. And then I'll head straight to the White Cliffs. I already had breakfast. What do I need? My phone's check. Shoma Jesus. Thank you. Let's head out. Jessica Mena. Thank you. Oh no. Just laying around. Thank you for 1,000 stars. Appreciate you. Guys, as soon as I leave this building, I can't be live because of the Wi-Fi. So gonna take you guys on the road with me. Let's go, I don't care. Ghislaine Durham, thank you for 200 stars, Ghislaine. Oh my gosh, Ghislaine Durham. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to take you guys on the road with me, and it's gonna take all my data, but I don't care. I love you. Let's go. You wanna go? Let's go on the lunch. Carolina Pineapple, thank you for 50 stars. Let's go on a walk in the town. Let's go. So this is the Airbnb. Oh my God, he scared me. I'm sorry. Whatever I did to you, I'm sorry. Whatever I did to you, I'm sorry. Whatever I did to you. Whatever I did to you, I'm sorry. Whatever I did to you. Whatever I did to you, I'm sorry. 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 I'm sorry. What did I do? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're causing me. Because you really want to kill me. Do you really want to kill me? Do you really want to kill me? My queen, do you want to kill me, please? Please, I'm sorry. Please. Please, I'm sorry. Do you really want to kill me? Please, I'm sorry. Please, what are you doing?
What's going on?
I'm sorry, please. Please, I'm sorry, please. I came out, she's trying to kill me with a knife. Please. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please, I don't know this woman. I just tried to get out of the house. Please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I don't know this woman. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, I live here. I just came. I rented this house. Please. Oh my God. Are you really trying to kill me? Are you trying to kill me, please?
Hi, can I get the police? Thank you.
Come outside. Come outside. Come outside.
Hi, there are two people.
did she get stabbed?
Someone came out and said, I think she said, give me my phone, and then ran that way.
I don't know, they literally, somebody came out the door and had a bag or something, and then they ran down there. I couldn't quite figure out what they were saying, and then, yeah, they went after something down there, but I can hear it.
This is the knife.
I wouldn't touch it, it might have prints on it.
Put it down, put it down.
You okay?
No, I think my face is burning.
Is that
Please,
your
can I have some cold to wash it, please?
Yeah, the crack is going to wash your
Flat
face.
two.
It's not gonna do my neutralizer acid.
Yeah, a Bob Moto Sapphire.
Is there a fire up here? That's in the right, yeah, there.
Oh, God, blood.
Yeah, of course.
As a construction site, they have supplies and stuff.
No. The knife is still here. It's on the premises. Yeah. Yeah. It's orange, looks like a kitchen knife. So it's got one of those knives that's been painted.
No, I'm not.
by itself, that is orange.
Does she want a safe place to come and sit?
Yes,
You want to
please.
go down, yeah?
My phone is in there. Could
You just wait here, let me just confirm with the guys.
The handle, not the blade.
Can you please open the door, please?
Yeah. Outside on the street.
Salicylic acid.
One affect the other.
Guys, are you guys still here? Someone was attacking me with salicylic acid, guys. How do you neutralize salicylic acid, please? How do you neutralize salicylic acid?
Now that we've opened the door again,
How do you neutralize it?
appears to be a bottle of acid.
Do you live in this?
My parents.
Guys, they attacked me with acid on my face. My hand. Guys, I'm bleeding. They attacked me with a knife.
Thanks, sir. Mark Bradford.
Jesus.
Prodfwt. 24th of April next month.
They attacked me with acid on my face. How do you neutralize salicylic acid? She ran away. She ran away, guys. She ran away. She wanted to kill me. I had to hold her with a knife. Oh, God.